Yeah, so the spare tile policy is we provide you 5% spare tiles. So that's included with with the LDM and LDS. Also with the LDC. However, with the LDC, since it's custom and built to order based on your configuration, you also have the option of purchasing additional spare tiles if you'd like. Um, as far as for the LDM or LDS, like I mentioned, they do come with 5%. If you want more, we could do a special build to build more spare tiles for you. And the reason being that the reason why you'd want to do that is A, so you have spares, but B, because out of the production, the tiles will be color matched within the batch that it's being produced in. So it'll give you the most seamless transition as you swap one tile for another.